Welcome students in Growth Project 2021-22, which is conducted by Ray Shikshan Sanstha Satara and managed by Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara. In previous lecture, we will learn the science of trigonometric functions and the domain, range and periodicity of the trigonometric function. Now, today we will learn the graph of the trigonometric functions. First one is y is equal to sin x, graph of y is equal to sin x. This one is the graph of the y is equal to sin x. We know the trigonometric functions for sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin pi is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is -1, sin 2 pi is again 0. Now sin of minus pi by 2 is -1, sin of minus pi is 0, sin of minus 3 pi by 2 is 1, and minus sin of minus 2 pi is again 0. If we take 300, it is 300 curve. This one is the graph for sin x. Second one is the graph of the cos x. We know that cos of 0 is 0. In the x axis वरती आपण थीटाचे व्हॅल्यू घेतलेले आहेत आणि y axis वरती cos थीटाचे व्हॅल्यू आहेत. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 असेल तर cos 0 ची व्हॅल्यू 1. थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाय बाय 2, cos pi by 2 0, theta is equal to pi, cos pi -1, theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, theta is equal to 2 pi, then cos 2 pi is 1. Similarly, we take negative values. Cos of minus pi by 2 is 0, cos of minus pi is -1, cos of minus 3 pi by 2 is 0, and cos of minus 2 pi is 1. This is graph for y is equal to cos x. Now y is equal to tan x, graph for the function tan x. This one is the graph for tan x. We know that if x is equal to multiple of pi by 2, that is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. For the value pi by 2, tan theta is not defined. Therefore, the graph of tan theta or the graph of tan x is in this way, which does not touch for the line which passing through the pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Here domain is r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to integer, and range is whole real value. This one is the graph for tan x. Now y is equal to cot x. Cot x is reciprocal of tan. This one is the graph for cot x. Now, this is the graph for y is equal to sec x. Sec x is reciprocal of cos. Therefore, the range of cos x is -1 to 1. Therefore, graph of sec x is r minus -1 to 1. -1 आणि 1 हा इंटरवल सोडून येणाऱ्या व्हॅल्यू साठी हा sec x चा ग्राफ असेल. Now y is equal to cosec x, graph for the cosec function. This one is the graph of the cosec x. This is the graph of sin x, and cosec is reciprocal of sin. Here -1 आणि 1 च्या बाहेरचे ग्राफ आहे ते cosec x चे आहेत. -1 to 1 मधला ग्राफ आहे तो sin x चे. These are the graph for the trigonometric function. Now we will study the polar coordinate system. What is polar coordinate system? If we take x-axis and y-axis, if O is the origin, then take any point having coordinates r and theta. Now we will study the polar coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinates of the points, any point P is given by x and y. Now, if we take rectangular coordinate system, then any point can be represented as the Cartesian coordinates x and y. If P is the point whose distance from origin is r and making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, then the coordinates of the point P are given by r theta, x coordinate as r and y coordinate as theta. This is polar coordinates for the point P. Here Cartesian coordinates are x, y and polar coordinates are r theta. Therefore, the Cartesian coordinates of the point P r theta are given by the relation x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. And also, where r is equal to, we can find the polar coordinates r by square root x square plus y square and theta by tan theta is equal to y by x. By using this formula, we can convert Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates and polar coordinates into Cartesian coordinates. म्हणजेच x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. या डायग्राम वरून sin theta is equal to y upon r, therefore y is equal to r sin theta, आणि cos theta is adjacent x upon r, therefore x is equal to r sin r cos theta, and r is equal to, by Pythagoras rule, x square plus y square is equal to r square, therefore r is square root x square plus y square, and theta can be given by tan theta is equal to y by x. Using this formula, we can convert Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates. Find the polar coordinates of a point whose Cartesian coordinates are -2 and -2. First one example is here. आपल्याला Cartesian coordinates दिलेले आहेत, अब polar coordinates find out करायचे. Cartesian coordinates, that means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -2. To find r and theta, that means polar coordinates, we know that r is equal to square root x square plus y square and tan theta is equal to y upon x. म्हणजेच r is equal to x ची व्हॅल्यू 2 आहे, y ची व्हॅल्यू -2 आहे. 2 square plus -2 square and tan theta is -2 upon 2, that is -1. म्हणजे r ची व्हॅल्यू आली 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And 8 can be written as 4 into 2, that is 2 square root 2. And tan theta is -1. Since point P lies in fourth quadrant, point P x coordinate positive आहे, y coordinate negative आहे, म्हणजे fourth quadrant मधला आहे. म्हणजे angle theta is an angle in the fourth quadrant. म्हणजे tan theta हा -1 असेल तर theta is equal to 315 degree, and therefore polar coordinates are 2 root 2 and 315 degree. R is equal to 2 root 2 and theta is equal to 315 degree. Now find the Cartesian coordinates of a point whose polar coordinates are 390 degree. Here we have given the polar coordinates 3 and 90 degree. That is r is equal to 3 and theta is equal to 90 degree. We know that x is given by r cos theta and y is given by r sin theta. Therefore, x, y are required Cartesian coordinates. x आणि y आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे r थीटाच्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्या आहेत. आपल्याला माहिती आहे x इज इक्वल टू r cos थीटा असतो आणि y इज इक्वल टू r sin थीटा असतो. म्हणजे x इज इक्वल टू r is 3, theta is 90 degree, x is 3 cos theta and x is 3 cos 90 degree and y is 3 sin 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0, therefore x is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 and sin 90 is 1, therefore y is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore, the required Cartesian coordinates are 0, 3. Second one example is find the Cartesian coordinates of points whose polar coordinates are 1 and 108 degree. Solution, here we are given r theta is equal to 1 and 180 degree. We know that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Where x, y are required Cartesian coordinates, we will get x is equal to r is 1, theta is 180 degree, therefore x is equal to 1 cos 180 and y is equal to 1 sin 180. Cos 180 is minus 1, therefore x is equal to minus 1 and sin 180 is 0, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore the required Cartesian coordinates are minus 1, 0. In this way, we will see we can convert Cartesian coordinates. In this way, we can convert the Cartesian coordinate into polar coordinates and polar coordinates into Cartesian coordinates by using the formulae x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta and r is equal to square root x square plus y square and tan theta is equal to y upon x. Here, trigonometry first topic is completed. Thank you.